My name is Mounika. I'm from Kannur. After completion of my B.TECH, I joined in Qspiders, where I upskilled myself in Java and also Selenium. Then I came to Qspiders. Here I gained knowledge in manual and automation. And here, and after that, wherever I faced difficulties in the learning stage, I approached to faculties and they were helping us. They will help you very lot. And also I attended grooming sessions and presentations. Here, by attending grooming sessions, you will get I got confidence in the subjects and also again knowledge in subjects, and also because of presentations my communication improved. I improved my communication, and also thank you.